Hi, I'm Dr. Susannah Kindred, a board-certified dermatologist at Kindred Hair and Skin Center.
Hi, my name is Alan Tinsley. I'm a student at Anne Arundel Community College. I'm here at Kindred. I was a front desk receptionist. Then they saw my potential. Then they moved me back to become a medical assistant through the apprenticeship program.
Alan was working, and I kept hearing how well he was doing at the front desk. And that's when I decided to select him as our apprentice for the medical assistance program. We can teach you how to be a medical assistant, universal bloodborne pathogens, etc. However, we can't teach attitude. We can't teach worth ethic. We can't teach just treating people like family. So the apprenticeship program allows us to take someone who has those soft skills, and then we can add the technical part.
For me, the apprenticeship program was better than the traditional four-year college route. Simply because I value experience. I also value getting paid.
Fortunately, the OWD's apprentice incentive program helped to balance everything out for us. It provided financial support so that we could invest in Alan without being spread too thin. And to ensure it was done well, we worked really well and closely with the Howard County Office of Workforce Development. They made sure we knew exactly what needed to be done, how to do it, and we teamed up with the state of Maryland's apprenticeship program.
I'm going to use this experience to either pursue a passion in sports medicine or pulmonology.
I absolutely recommend the apprenticeship program. If you're like me, you'll have a point where you have turnover. It addresses that. This also provides tax incentive, financial support, and helps you to really plan your employee succession. It's an investment that is well worth it.